And hello there, 30 minutes fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is my very first 30-minute Sisters kit. Yes, I know it's been a long time since it's available, the 30-minute Sisters, but this is my very first one only because for the reason of, it's a Japanese themed Oni girl. Yeah. I do know they also have one which is sorry, but I unfortunately I did not get her. But what you can see here is the SIS Y00 or Shuremi color B, the 30 minute sisters, and as you can see in the box art, she is like a single horn Oni girl with a mace, right? And off to the side. So of course, before the weapons and stuff, we can have three different faces. The armor is here, more like a kimono and stuff. Of course, the weapons there, some additional hand parts, and some action poses that you can do with it. And off to the side, you can actually integrate it with the other 30 minutes line, which is from the 30 minutes mission, and of course from the 30 minutes fantasy line. Now let's see and open up what's inside the box. So first bag is, yep, we have the different faces here and an additional face part here. Third bag is all white and all flesh color. Oh, sorry, third bag, second bag. I mean, third bag has two sprues, the hair, and of course the kimono part as well as the armor part. Or sorry, the weapon part is there. Last bag is multicolored sprue and the flesh color, and of course a chain. Huh. Interesting. So they gave an actual chain because of the chainmail here, or rather for a weapon. And of course, this is the instruction manual, where of course again it will display here information that you can integrate this with other of the 30 minutes label, which is the 30 minutes mission and of course the 30 minutes fantasy. And it just shows here how you can do it. And of course, it will always show you first how to build Shuremi. And after building Shuremi, it will tell you how to put on the armor and stuff. Alright, now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Alright, now first off is we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We can see that there are parts for the hair, parts for the weapon, and of course some parts for the body and some parts for the face. So some red, some black, some flesh color, and a clear pink one. We also have a B sprue here, which is all of the flesh parts. The hands are here, the neck. So we also have a D sprue, which is more of the flesh, still flesh parts, or brown. Yeah, there's no C, and eventually we have an E sprue here, which is all the white parts. So parts of the weapons, I think the flower design of the kimono, the dress, and we have the F part here, or the F sprue, which is all pink. Yep, all pink, and some parts of the weapon, some part of the armor is here. Then we also have some hair parts, which is actually separated with HP. So this is hair parts, more of course just parts of the hair, and we have a separate sprue actually, which is the FP or the face parts here. Yep. So different facial expressions. There we go. And of course, they throw in a chain, which can be used later for the weapon of Shuremi. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the SIS Y00 Shuremi Color B of the 30 Minutes Sisters line. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, reading other videos, commenting and sharing. And until next time, see you and thank you.